Good morning, friends. My boy Keith, shout out, came through with the baby BMX one time, and you know, 2 years later I'm like, fuck, I remember he had a baby BMX and that was a lot of fun. So how much do those cost? Well, they've gone down a little bit since he told me. So picked one up and I've been looking forward to it. Holy shit, this guy is full on ready to go. Pinky helmet, gang. But here she is, rocker IROC lumberjack version. I added some grips because they were filthy, and I changed the pedals because they were trash. All right, I don't know what he's planning on doing or what kind of envisioning he has here, but
just trying to go from here to there.
Let's just send it. All right, go.
Oh. Nah, I can't go all the way.
Why are you scared?
Hey, but I did it.
Yeah, that wasn't impressive at all.
You do it.
You won't jump off.
You do it.
Huh?
Go for it.
I guess. Boy, I reckon I might. Just bunny hop off the end of it. Huh? And then cut.
Hold on. And then you go back in.
We couldn't edit that together if we wanted to. Let's see them big bunny hops. Oh shit! Come back in hot. Woo! All right, so I would say first mod, but we already put pedals and grips, and we're gonna paint the wheels, and we got new tires on the way. But we put air in the tires, and it's literally night and day. 6 PSI to 60. 60 to 70 PSI now. A whole different bike. We were fucking dumb.
I want to go around the block again, though.
It's not as tiring, right? Here, get me on a 180. That was a fail. Hey!
Oh, it actually rolls though.
Yeah. Quick little recap. Good customer of ours just hit us with a heat job, and he needs it done like within an hour. Luckily for him, the damage isn't too bad, and it's something that we can knock out, and it'll be fun. Why? Because it's a fun car. Job at hand. That, believe it or not, when you see a U shape like this, most of the time that's caused from a car wash. And to have two on the same car, same side, that's probably going to be the culprit. No one's going to say for sure, but I would say. Anyways, we can get right on it, knock it out, hit them with that VIP treatment. You feel me? And one of my favorite parts, it's stupid, but I like it because it's comfortable. You take your shoes off. Squishy puppy dog fur carpet. Oh God, that's a good boy. That's a good boy, yeah, that's a good boy. All right, just like that, A-okay. Done deal, 30 minutes. Tag team, me and the boy Sergio. It's a wrap. Sheesh. We even matched the pretty shitty finish that it has. I mean, of course it looks better than what was on there, but it's not our best, because our best would just stand out like a sore thumb. But not too bad at all. Major scratches. Gone. Gone. David Blaine in this bitch. All right, I'm gonna take the Rolls back. So before that, I was gonna take a quick ride on the Beast, but Discovery. I haven't even had this thing here like 6 hours. Oh my gosh. We already blew a tire. Come on now. I was just bragging about how much better it rode. But this, I believe, is from what I saw, it's like a 2013 model, 2014. And these are probably most definitely original tires. So good thing is my extra ass already ordered tires just for cosmetic reasons, and now we actually need them. So fuck it, it is what it is. Anyways, time to hop in the Rolls, roll out. All right, T-Bass, we'll be back, sir. Alrighty, day 2. The little bike, Rocker Mini, is already on the chopping block because we discovered this yesterday. It literally blew out just sitting there. So that tells you how bad these tires were, and look how shitty they spin. Imagine we were riding that. This thing's pretty hilarious. Look at that. What the fuck? There's a massive ball in it. I'm surprised this bitch hasn't blown. Anyways, new tires should be here today. So we're gonna get these matte green wheels painted, gloss them out, get a matching green, and paint this guy. Just like that. Mini wheel oven. We're out here, mini wheel oven. 2-piece, come on, step your game up, Ricers. We discovered the tube popped.
Oh.
We're never gonna get to ride again. I don't know where I'm gonna find this fucking thing.
Bike world.
Anyways, we're gonna go red on these. Fuck it, we already have it, and it's gonna look fire. Rasta shit. Okay. Gang. What you working on? Damn! It's already fixed. Well, so much for this segment.
My bad, I started working on it.
He went too ham, too fast. Anyway, there was a pretty good little deal. Maybe I'll add the picture that he sent me right there. So we're gonna refinish the whole edge for him, and it's gonna take about how long?
I'd say like 15, 20.
30. Give or take.
Maybe like 32.
32.7. Anyways, it goes on this. Pretty cool little FRS. Or, yeah, FRS. And, to our surprise, he's bagged, see? Yeah. Okay, yeah. And speaking of FRSs, we got our boy, Raru, back in the building. And if you remember when we did his carbon fiber, his headlights looked like shit and I made fun of him. Well, he went home and cried, and then he bought these BRZ joints. The new ones with the LEDs. Oh, okay. And the okay. Damn, is it gonna look fire. That's gonna be a nice upgrade. Speaking of, we can check up on his carbon fiber, see how it's doing. Have you been taking care of it?
Dirty. The car is dirty.
We'll wash it. We'll wash it and find out. Oh shit. That's why we call yours the meatball FRS. How these little wheels coming, Seabass?
They're pretty good.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Getting all prepped up, ready for a color change. Baby wheel love. One coat of clear on Project Upgrade FRS Meatballs headlights. It's looking fire already. Look at that smile. Look at it. Look at it. All right, and that's it. Like I said, 32.7 minutes. There you go. Got this little baby mini wheel set up. Oh shit. They're already red. Still covering it up. Put some clear on them. They'll be done. And believe it or not, I was right. The tubes and the wheels are wheelbarrow wheels, and we found the tubes locally. So once we get the tires, we're back on the baby bike. Can't wait. All day long I've been waiting for these damn baby tires. Fucking USPS really got me up, you know what I mean? Taking forever. Deliver his shit at 5 o'clock. Come on now, are you serious? Anyways, finally got him. Juan's up here skating the rail, so Might be able to fuck around a little bit, but here they are. Gum tires, brand new. Even came with one free tube. Look, it came with one free tube.
Shut the hell up.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, and we would have had one good one. Fuck it.
You want to get me and Juan back to back real fast?
Can a boy put it together his baby bicycle?
I mean, but this is gonna be cool.
But Seabass? He's a real good film reviewer.
No, like for the GoPro.
Can I put my baby bike together and take me 5 minutes?
There we go.
You know what I'm saying? Jesus, you can't even put a baby bike together. These fucking guys. Selfish. Selfish. Anyways, I got 2 baby gum tires ready to go on the beast. Let's get it. Got them, coach. That took a little bit more time than I was expecting. Time to air them up and do work. There you go. Back to pro level. Hey. I only landed 3 times.
You think Daddy's gonna do it? Bring that little guy over here.